A very happy new year to all of you. Wish you a wonderful and safe year ahead. Today, at the beginning of the year, I would like to thank all of you for your enormous love and support that you all have given me as such wonderful audience is really heart touching. So I would like to thank you once again from the bottom of my heart for being such wonderful viewers, and please do continue to keep watching and supporting the same way. Saying this, today at the eve of the new year, I would like to make something special for you, which at the same time is really very easy. Any one of you can make this recipe, and you all will thank me for this, because whenever there is guest at home, you would love to make this recipe because it can be made very quickly, and at the same time it's really very delicious, and you all will love making it again and again. So keep watching and supporting this channel, and if you have not subscribed my channel till now, there are many people who keep watching but they do not subscribe. So to those viewers, please do subscribe, because your subscription is very important for a new channel to grow, and at the same time please keep watching. Chicken keema is prepared with chicken minced, cooked with a few spices and dressed up with herbs. This chicken keema recipe will be your next favorite thing, I can guarantee you that. So let's start making chicken keema today. Firstly, take about half a kg of boneless chicken and mince it properly in a chopper. Heat a karai or a pan and add about half a cup of mustard oil to it. You can even add refined oil, but mustard oil gives the real flavor, so I'm using mustard oil. Add about 2 chopped onions and saute it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, add 1 chopped tomato to it, add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. The salt will help the tomatoes to get cooked properly. And then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Lal Mirch. The Kashmiri Lal Mirch will give a nice color to the keema. And then 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, and mix everything properly. Now add the minced chicken. I have taken about 500 grams of chicken to it, and then saute it for a while. Keep breaking the chicken this way in regular intervals so that the chicken does not form lumps and it's evenly cooked. Add a bay leaf. Now cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes, add about half a cup of water to it. Add half a cup of fresh green peas. You can even use frozen peas if it is not available in the market, but fresh green peas actually gives a real taste to the keema. Let me give you a tip for the day. If you use frozen peas, then boil the frozen peas at least for 10 minutes. Let it soften and only after that put it into the keema curry. Now cover the lid and cook it for about 5 minutes in low flame. Let the water dry up and keep stirring for a while. Now add half a teaspoon of garam masala. Add 1 finely chopped green chilies. If you like more spices, you can add 2 green chilies to it. And then add about 1 small bunch of finely chopped coriander leaves. Lastly, add about 1.5 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves or Kasuri Methi and saute it for just 1 more minute. Now turn off the gas burner and cover the lid of the pan. Your chicken keema is now ready to be served. Serve it with hot rotis, kulchas, naan and even with pulao. It goes very well with it. This special keema recipe is a must preparation at my mom's place during Ramzan as well as during the Eid.